Girl, today we did not come to play. We are serving scalp. Hashtag what lace, hashtag clear lace, baby. If you want to see how to get this style, make sure you keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and blow dry this hair. I have washed it and I re-bleached the knots on this wig. So I have actually been blow drying my wigs a lot lately rather than air drying, and I find that it really helps when you have straight styles to keep them nice and sleek. So the dryer that I'm using right now is one that I found that is very inexpensive. Someone actually asked me to review this a while ago. This is made by Revlon. It's like $30 and this is a really good dryer. So if you want this dryer, I suggest you jump on it because I'm pretty sure it's going to sell out fast. When I tell you this dryer is good, just go check out the reviews for yourself. It's a really great dryer. In combination with the dryer, before I dry the hair, I've been using the Color Wow anti-frizz. This is a humidity blocker. I talked about this in a previous video. I will also link this below because it is a must-have to control frizz. The wig in today's video comes from Pretty Luxe Hair. I will be sure to link it below in the description box and with also a discount. And I absolutely love this wig. We are going to glue it down with the Ebin Wonder Lace. This is the Supreme Hold Glue. Now this is a product that they sent in that box that I showed you in my last video. So this will be my first time using this particular glue. So if you want to use this glue, make sure you are applying it to your forehead or hairline that is clean with no residue. I'm applying a thin layer of the Wonder Bond around the hairline, and I believe I'm going to apply maybe 2 layers. You want to wait until it turns clear and get like that tacky feeling before you go to apply the lace. That way you can get the best hold. But you do know they do have the remover that goes with this adhesive if you need to remove it from your skin or the lace. So this does come in a bottle like this. It does not have that citrus smell like most of them, which my skin can't tolerate. So I just want to put that out there so you guys could know that. I will link these below in the description box. Now that that adhesive is dry clear, I'm going to go over top of it again with another layer of the wig adhesive. Now the more layers you add, the stronger the hold is going to be. So remember that. So if you want a longer wear, you can apply up to maybe 3, maybe 4 layers, just depending on you. I'm only going to apply 2 layers. Once that glue is dry, I'm going to go ahead and press that lace onto the adhesive. Now the biggest mistake I make when gluing down my wig with wig adhesive is placement of that glue. A lot of you always wonder why I don't take my wig completely off and glue it on, and you're about to see why. Because even with my wig halfway on the head, I try to line it up so that I can put the glue exactly where I want that hairline on that wig to fall. But a lot of times for me, I always put the hairline just a little bit behind the line of that glue, and I do this every single time. But I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down with my sleigh band. I will be sure to link this below in the description box. This is going to press that adhesive and also that lace together and help that lace hold better. Now for this style, I decided to keep it straight. I'm just going to separate and add some layers at the front of the hair just to give it a little bit of volume, and I don't know, I just really love the flow of this hair, so I just feel like it just needs just a little bit of layers going through the front. It's very hot outside right now, and I feel like with the straight texture you really can't go wrong because it's very simple to maintain and it's also very simple to style. It's one of those styles that you don't need to do much to. As you've seen at the beginning, I blow dried this hair and I have not put any flat iron to it at all, and it's still perfectly straight. There's no frizz. Yeah, I will be sure to link those products and this wig below in the description box, so be sure to check below this video. After about 15 minutes, I removed the sleigh band. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. Now, you do not want to cut the lace before you tie down that hairline because you will get lifting. So for me, like I told you guys, I made a mistake and I glued down my wig a little bit behind where I placed the glue at the forehead area. I'll show you guys how I fixed that later on. But right now I'm just using a razor and removing the extra lace. Girl, look at that hairline. It looks so good, so clean. This glue is actually pretty good, and this wig, oh my god, like it looks so natural. And I got so many compliments when I wore this style, and it just looks so good. So I'm going to go ahead and add some baby hairs, some curl baby hairs around this hairline. I'm using my small curler to do this, and it's just going to set this style and make it really pretty. Everyone keeps asking me where did I get my comb from. I found it on Amazon, and I was searching and searching to try to find this type of comb, and I cannot find it anymore. But I do know when I did order this comb, it took me like 6 weeks just to get it, and now they don't have any more, and I've tried to find it elsewhere so that I can link it for you guys, but I really can't. But it's basically just a parting comb, so if you Google that, you may can find it. So apparently I missed my ear tab area when gluing it down, so I'm going to take the Wonder Lace adhesive spray and just touch up those areas where the lace is lifted. And that's the one thing I really like about the spray, is that you can go back and it's mess free. You don't have to worry about a glue leaving all this residue trying to touch up these areas. Just spray, dry, and go. But when I tell you this wig is everything, honey, the quality on this wig, this lace, this hairline is fire. Like, this is one of my favorite wigs right now because it's so natural. Even in direct sunlight, it looks really, really good. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the sleigh band again and tie down this hairline for about 30 minutes. You don't even need to leave it on that long. The sleigh band is going to press that glue and lay everything perfectly. But I'm going to apply it for 30 minutes. While I was doing my hair, Naya came in and she wanted me to do her baby edges. When I made my sleigh band, she wanted me to make her one, so I made her one, and she's just been wearing it ever since. But I'm just laying down her edges. I'm using a cool setting to do this, and I'm using, I think, the Eco Styler gel. It's so amazing how much we inspire our children just by the little things we do. And she loves to really play in my hair products or my makeup. If you have not got your sleigh band, make sure to check the link in the description box. This is a must-have for me now. Like, girl, like, it lays that lace to the skin, honey. As you can see, everything just looks so good. Besides that white residue I have because I put my hairline too far back. But besides that, it looks really good, you guys. I absolutely am loving the install for it today. And I'm going to link this glue below in the description box for you guys. To fix that, what I did is I went back and I kind of like took the hair that's around the hairline and kind of pressed it into that glue. I didn't want to go back and rub it with any type of alcohol because I feel like it would mess up the application. But yeah, it turned out really good, and I am in love with this style so much. Let me show you guys the parting, because today I am not going to wear a parting, but if you wanted to, you have lots of parting space. I believe this is a 13x6 lace wig. I will put all the details below in the description box. Alright, so this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, give the video a thumbs up. Be sure to share it with someone and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Everything in today's video will be linked below in that description box, so make sure to check there. And I will see you all back for another video. Thank you so much for watching.